Crude oil continued its bearish bias, and the drop here, as we have discussed in our yesterday's update, in our today Asia session update as well. I have mentioned that we are looking forward to a bearish move here in crude. What has happened? We have seen a move towards $67 levels here, while natural gas, which is again taking the support from 2.82 zone, we have seen a very good recovery, and it has also hit the zone that is the resistance 2.92 levels. What to expect now from oil and gas? With the US session, we have the natural gas storage data coming in later in the day, which is also going to add to the volatility into natural gas prices, and how to profit, where to enter, where to exit. Everything we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. And this is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis, proper reasoning, right entries, right exits, and the take profits as well. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch. If you look at oil on the hourly charts, what has happened here? See, a sharp decline was seen, then a retracement has appeared, and it is now again looking down. And now, if you again see oil staying below 67.6, 67.4 zone, stay short for 60, and below 67 it can aim for 66.5. Now remember, 66.5 is going to remain one critical support which it needs to break, and only below 66.5 you can say that it is turning bearish, else it is under retracement. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking down. Definitely a bearish sign this is. As you can see, strong divergence and a move on the downside. Strong bearishness is this suggests. Stochastic has retraced. MACD is trading extremely bearish. Now this has come to a zone from where retracement or reversal can be seen, and that is why I said be careful at 67.4, 67.6, which is going to remain a stronger support zone. RSI again back to again oversold levels. Coming to 2 hour. Now look at the 2 hour charts. Look at the preceding candle comes with the wick and closing at red. Now it is started on a sell side, and now this is the zone which it needs to break, that is having a support at 67.4, 67.6 zone, breaking below which we can look forward to a move towards 67. And even if it breaks below 67, as I said, till 66.5, we have to be watchful, careful, alert. See how beautifully as I have drawn in my first update today, the rise and the plunge here, it is continuing in the same fashion. Stochastic oversold, it is at bottom. MACD is extremely bearish, it has hit the lows here, and this point we have to be careful. Chances of reversal increases. RSI coming to oversold zone, coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, see the preceding candle, a swing candle, current candle trying to break out. However, again we have to be careful here. And on the upside now, see 68.4, 68.6, this is the zone you should watch out for. Once it stays above 68.4, 68.6 zone, then only we can expect a slight reversal, slight rise. And then also till $70 levels, we should not be treating this for a reversal. Only bullishness in crude oil today is if it stays above $70 levels, chances of which appears to be very, very less. Stochastic rising here. MACD is trading extremely divergent, extremely bearish, and it has come towards the lows as well. Possibly, as I said, 66.5. As long as 66.5 is not taken for the day, we should not be treating this as bearish. RSI oversold here, coming to 4 hour charts, and yes, 66.5 is one achievable level as well. Now coming to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts also similar observation here. See, one thing also you can observe, it is almost forming a double bottom, and also it is coming from outside Bollinger Bands, and thus it is going to be definitely important how it behaves in this zone, because a reversal from these levels can be expected, and this reversal might take it towards 69, 69.2, or in fact 69.8 levels as well. You have to be very, very careful at 68, 67.4, 67.6 zone. Moving averages have crossed over here after retracing. This is an important you can say event, because see, this leads to bearishness for the near future, but I'll definitely expect that there has to be a little retracement, even if it has to drop here. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, and RSI oversold here. Coming to the daily, see on the daily charts, I have mentioned yesterday, this is a reversal sign, this is a reversal sign, and this is the first bearish candle. So we can expect series of bearish candles. What has happened? Also, I have shown you that See, this is the drop, this is the retracement, and it is now looking downwards. However, now it has come down to the support zone after two strong bearish candles here. Now the zone here again I am saying 67.4, 67.6 you should watch out for. Below this you can expect it to move towards 67, very good support, and 66.5. Now as long as today it respects 66.5, we should be careful. It can bounce back up again, it can rise again. So yes, our selling entries are now limited at 67.6, 67.4 zone. Let's have a further look. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell, and RSI dropping here. So now looking at this, before I give you the levels for trade, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email, connect with me or Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade oil, gas, other commodities from across the globe, and indices from across the globe, and crypto and currencies as well, and which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads on offer. Now, selling entries, you have got 67.4, 67.6 zone where you can expect 67, the first target, and then 66.5. Below 66.5, we can see stronger bearish move, which can in fact take it towards 65.8 levels here. Or possibly, I do not see it breaking below 65.8, but yes, if it does break below 65.8, you can wait for 65.2 and 65 levels. While on the upside, a buying entry now I will recommend here is at 68 levels. If you see it is staying above 68, but then this is going to be riskier. The resistance zone first at 68.3, 68.4, then you can look forward to 68.65, 68.7 the next, and if it stays beyond this, you can look forward to 69.1, 69.2, 69.5, 69.6, and at any point of time, oil trading above 70 is definitely is a sign of reversal, which I do not see it happening today. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at natural gas on the hourly charts. Once again, 2.9, 2.92 zone. We have discussed why this is going to remain a greater resistance zone, and see what has happened. Rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement again. Also, one must notice it is delivering higher lows and higher highs here. Now hitting the zone, it is again trying to reverse, and you can see this 2.8886 zone. Earlier this was the resistance, now this is going to remain the support. So if it draws below 2.86, you can take a selling entry, but then 2.84, uh, I'll say till 2.84 and 2.82, you should not be treating natural gas as bearish. But yes, it appears hitting the highs with the data, it can reverse the trend and it can continue on the downside. Just be a little cautious. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. MACD has already hit the lows here and it is now trading in green at the bottom. RSI trying to trade bearish. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at 2-hour charts, see what has happened. One must notice it has taken a support, and that is what we had discussed, that a very good support is formed here at 2.84. What has happened today? We have seen it respecting 2.84 levels. We have seen it hitting higher highs. So now this is going to be the zone which is also going to remain the support again. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is almost on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. It is still on sells. RSI dropping sharp. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour charts, the observation is more or less same, hitting the highs. And see, this is a squeeze here. Thus, it is very important for net gas to stay above 2.92. Once it stays above 2.92 and then 2.96 stay bullish, we are looking forward to 3.0 to 3.05 zone. Looking at the support it has formed here, it appears that it can give you a breakout on the upside. But again, 2.92 is definitely going to remain critical for net gas. Stochastic overbought, MACD trading with divergence in bearish, RSI at the top here. Coming to the 4 on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation, just you have to be cautious here. And see, another point to note here is, look at these three candles, higher lows are consistently seen. Thus only bearishness is if it drops below 2.8684 zone, below which you can expect it to keep moving towards 2.8 levels here. The stochastic flat, MACD crossed over for sell, RSI very near to the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart, on the daily chart, see slightly higher highs are seen. Reversal from these levels cannot be denied. And why it can reverse, see too much of divergence of the price from the moving average. However, I see that there is lot much of upside available for natural gas. But again, the resistance at 2.92 is something you should watch out for. Stochastic is extremely overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI overbought. So this overbought levels calls for a little retracement. However, as I said, 2.86 only you should initiate a selling. Expect 2.84. 2.82 and 2.83 support levels, and if it drops below 2.8, you can expect a move towards 2.76, 2.72. Chances for which appears to be less, but yes, these are markets. It can, if it can rise, it can drop as well sharply. On the upside, beyond 2.92, we can look forward to a move towards 2.96, and then the chances are there that 3.02 levels to be seen, 3.0 to 3.05 is going to remain a stronger resistance there on the upside. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank